my last video this hot pink dress. So this is the front side and this is the back. You all know this. So today I have one more invitation. So I have decided to wear this dress but in different way. So let's do some creativity and let's see how it will work. So here I'm thinking to use this only short scarf for creating this perfect look. I think it's not only just perfect, it will be a bold look. So let's see. So yeah, so here I'm putting this scarf like this. Yeah, just folded my scarf and put this like this, and you can attack here in two corners by using the pin. And now I'm wearing that dress. Let's tie this bow. So you can create a flower shape. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so that's it. So here is a beautiful shape, and so you can see I'm wearing, so I have owned just one scarf for creating this perfect look. So yeah. So how it looks. Yeah. So you can apply this trick in yourself by creating a more fashionable look, more stylish look easily. So yeah, that's it. So see you in my next video with another fashionable vlog. So bye bye.